Hi guys. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. I'm doing unboxing. We're gonna do unboxing of what I bought this Heyday car charging kit and a Heyday charging cable. And I would like to unbox it here with us and see a review of this. Okay, so we're gonna try first the charging cable. This is for my iPhone. So I don't know if you can see this, but we're gonna try opening this. Yeah, this is Heyday. Okay, so I'm not gonna share screen. I don't know, but I have it in the screen here. Um, it's it's 29.99 for this car, and then $19.99 for this $19.99 for this thing. So I need so many cable because I'm on vacation. So what I got this one here is cable for my iPhone. This is just an extra charging cable. Okay, this is just a charging cable. Actually, this is for my daughter got extra for what is this? USB. Okay, so this is also for. Okay, so there's another one is for the car. Yeah, this is just for the charging cable, and this one is for the car. This is for the car when you charge your car. So this is just like this is a new brand. I've never had this before, but I think this is probably okay. So this is what's the inside of it? It's green. That's why it's hard to see. It's hard to see because it's green. But you can do it like this. The color of this is green, and that's why it doesn't come out. It's for the car, for the car. But looks okay. So these are both that I bought. It's a brand of Heyday. So there's another one that I'm gonna do, but this is just for this. So this is ready for me to use because I need it for my car. So got new items today. Sounds like they work. I never tried it yet actually, so I cannot even see how it works. But I think it works. It's working. But these are just new things that I bought. Okay. So okay, we're gonna do this and end this. And thank you so much. I'm gonna do unbox another one. And so thank you. See you later.